This is the 2-foot 6-inch Johansson ram type radial drill. We do have power on it. We'll go ahead and run it through the speeds for you here.
This is 60.
This will be 60 RPM.
120.
120. So it does have a 2-speed motor, a high and low.
This is 90.
90.
180.
180 there.
This is 300.
300.
600.
That's 600.
This is 450.
450 there. 900. I'll show you the power feed is working. Previous owner has disabled the kick out there on the power feed, so they just put that spring on there for just to kind of help bring it back. But once again, there is no kick out for the power feed. Power feed is working. It's just manual elevation or lowering it there on the table. That's all there is to it.